Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Snowman Challenge 2020, and this is hosted by That Crafting Lady and co-hosted by Indiana Jones. If you haven't already, please be sure to visit their channels. I'll leave the link of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. So as the challenge says, like Snowman Challenge, I have two projects in my mind to do. One is the Snowman Cute Cup. I can't get over him, so he's so cute. So I'm going to decorate him as well as one of this signboard of Let It Snow. So without any further ado, let's get started. final result of both the projects. Let me start with my version of Olaf. Yes, that's my favorite character from Frozen movie. And yeah, I decorated this snowman sign by just circling him with one of the garland. And I made a bow from two of my Christmas ribbons. One is a shiny red and shiny silver, and I stuck one of the silver colored poinsettia on top of it, and I stuck one of the snowflakes and one of the vase fillers, shiny one, silver color, I stuck in the center of the snowflake. And I also stuck one of them here, one down below. So yeah, this is my Olaf all decked up and ready to party. And this side I have this snowman mug, and I'm giving this as a gift to one of my friend. So I created a goodie bag with one of the loot bags that I got from Dollar Tree, and some of the chocolates and Lindor bar. I stuffed it inside the loot bag, and I circled some of the red color yarn as a scarf, and he's got one of the hat, beautiful hat, buffalo checkered red and black hat, and this is one of the shiny golden and silver ribbon. I just created a bow for his handle, and this is going as a gift to one of my friend. So yeah, so these are my version of Olaf's, and I hope you like it. Let me know which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions that you want to give. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.